Hey guys, welcome to Tech Insider India, and today we are doing the first impressions for the PS5 DualSense controller. So let's start by talking about the design of the new PS5 DualSense controller. It is definitely bigger and chunkier than what we have seen previously on the PlayStation controllers. It weighs around 270 grams. Another highlight feature here is that there is an LED light strip up front, which definitely adds to a premium appeal. A gamer-centric feature to the controller is a 3.5mm headphone jack on the controller itself that will definitely help the players when they're doing online gaming. One controller to rule them all. Once you hold on the PS5 DualSense, it gives a very wholesome feeling and you will enjoy playing video games with it. The PS5 DualSense has made a name for itself because of the adaptive trigger technology that it packs in. Now, what is adaptive triggers? Basically, the triggers on the controller adapt themselves according to the game that the player is playing. Now, if you are playing a different game, a different scene, then the triggers will adapt themselves. There is also a spiral motor inside the controller that gives a very amazing feedback, and the players will enjoy playing video games with the controller for sure. Thanks everyone for watching. This was Dhruv Mohan with the first impressions of PS5 DualSense controller.
Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the DualSense wireless controller for the PlayStation 5 from Sony. This is an authentic PlayStation 5 DualSense controller from Sony. As you can see, there's an image right away. This is the controller that you get when you buy a PS5. And we have some specifications mentioned. Of course, this comes with DualSense wireless controller and also an instruction manual. This has haptic feedback. So this is the area where you get all the haptic feedback from. Adaptive triggers, built-in microphone and signature comfort. We're going to open this and show you what's inside. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a user manual instruction manual for the DualSense wireless controller. Everything that you need to know, how to set up, how to recharge, how to use, etc. is all mentioned over here. This is an important document. You should keep it safe. Let me quickly take a look if this comes with warranty. And the specifications are mentioned. Input power rating is 5 volt, voltage is 3.65 volts. It has built-in lithium-ion battery which has a capacity of 1560. Operating temperature is 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and approximate weight is 280 grams. Now let's take a look at the PS5 DualSense wireless controller. There you go. This is what it looks like. It comes with this matte surface which is very comfortable on your skin. This is a very well built controller. Of course, this is an authentic Sony PS5 wireless controller, the new DualSense technology that they've come up with. The haptic sensor is over here. This is also the start button. Okay. This is also the menu. This is also actually the option button for when you're playing a game. The triggers are right over here. There's a new adaptive triggers that Sony has come up with. These are your directional keys and these are obviously your joystick. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the DualSense wireless controller for the PS5 from Sony. Thank you for watching.